Hello, welcome to my channel. It's December 12th, 2025, and I found some information for when I call the attorney. This is what I'm going to tell them. This is what I'm going to use for the law. Okay, I took screenshots. All right, so from Oregon Law 411-020 at oregon.gov. So by that law, under neglect, it has, for the purposes of these rules, neglect means the active or passive failure to provide basic care or services when necessary to maintain health and safety of an adult. When that failure results in harm, significant emotional harm, unreasonable discomfort, or serious loss of personal dignity to the adult, or creates the risk of serious harm to the adult. Okay, so that first part results in physical harm, significant emotional harm, unreasonable discomfort, or a serious loss of personal dignity to the adult. So I went and Googled about what would be an example of a serious loss of personal dignity. So I Googled taking a developmentally disabled client from a group home to the strip club. Would that, create a personal loss of dignity? And so I did the AI, and taking developmentally disabled clients to a strip club is considered a severe ethical violation and clear example of loss of personal dignity for the clients involved. This action constitutes exploitation and abuse, as individuals with developmental disabilities may not have the capacity to consent to such an activity, understand the environment, or report mistreatment effectively. A loss of personal dignity for developmentally disabled clients can manifest in various ways within a care setting. Sexual exploitation and abuse, exposing clients to sexually explicit material or language, any non-consensual sexual contact. Well, if somebody is an employee in employer situation, there should be no sexual contact. Placing clients in vulnerable situations such as the environment of a strip club where they may be susceptible to exploitation by others. The fear of loss of dignity with the public in the scenario of visiting a strip club is valid because the clients are put in a place where they are vulnerable to exploitation and judgment, and the outing is generally not considered an appropriate form of community integration for vulnerable individuals. In fact, an incident involving an autistic man being taken to a strip club in Florida led to a new state law. If you witness or suspect abuse or loss of dignity in a group home, you should contact Adult Protective Services or a state's disability rights organization to report the mistreatment. I called them both. Neither one of them were interested. They could care less. So I just wanted to give a quick update that when I call the attorney, I'm going to be going for that law, because I do think it's very dangerous and very inappropriate and definitely a risk to their dignity. It's not being judgmental or anything. That's just common sense that they've been breeding out of people.